In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zapier free trial, a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. If you've been exploring the automation potential of Zapier but decided it's not quite what you need right now, don't worry. Canceling is straightforward. Let's go through this step by step so you can be sure it's done correctly and with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zapier.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Zapier homepage. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to click on the Login button, which you'll usually find in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Now, it's important to understand that, unlike with paid subscriptions, Zapier's free trial doesn't have a lower-cost plan option. So, if you decide to cancel, you won't be charged or downgraded to another plan. Your account will revert to the free tier, which still allows you some features. Next, you will need to reach out to Zapier's customer support to cancel the trial effectively. On their website, you should look for a Contact or Help section, where typically support options are located. Find the option to contact customer support directly. You will see a form that you need to fill out with details about your request. Be sure to include relevant account information and specify that you wish to cancel your free trial to streamline the process. After you've thoroughly filled out the form, you can submit it for processing. Once submitted, expect a confirmation email from Zapier's support team. This email serves as an acknowledgement that your request to cancel has been received and is being processed. It's a good idea to keep an eye out for this email and to follow any additional instructions if asked. If you don't see the confirmation or response in your inbox within a reasonable time, be sure to check your junk or spam folders, as legitimate emails sometimes land there by mistake. And there you have it. Canceling your Zapier free trial can be done efficiently with these steps. If you have any hesitations or encounter any troubles during this process, feel free to revisit these instructions or reach out to Zapier support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you have other tech-related queries, be sure to check our other videos for more guides and tips.